Hi, I'm Sally Thibault, and in this video today we're going to be tapping on raising your level of belief in achieving one thing on your vision board. I want you to take an image on your vision board, one that you really want to achieve in this coming year. One of the things about vision board images is that they have to be real. Fluffy photos don't work. It's got to be very pertinent to what you want. So have a look at one in particular. Now I want you to measure your level of belief that you can actually achieve that. I want you to look at that and just measure, scale of 1 to 10. Yes, I'm absolutely going to achieve this. Oh, I have some doubt. Number 1, yeah, no hope in hell. Measure that level of belief. Okay, now again, in all our tapping videos, keep a pen and paper by your hand. Think of the memories that come up for you, because you'll always find patterns. Things that people say, things that do, times in the past you failed, whatever it is. We need to tap on those aspects. So let's look at this one now. Scale of 1 to 10. How strong is that belief? Here we go. Even though I'm looking at this image right now, and my level of belief is, and I want to shift it to I deeply and completely accept myself and how I feel. Even though looking at this vision board image, there's a part of me that just doesn't think I'm going to do it. Looks pretty. I'm hoping I'll get there, but I don't have a very strong level of belief. I deeply and completely accept myself and how I feel. Even though looking at this image, I have a little bit of fear around it. I have some doubt around it. Even though it looks great on my vision board, my belief that I can achieve it is not what I want it to be. I deeply and completely accept myself and how I feel. Okay, that image in your mind, this image on my vision board, my belief that I can make it real. This image, my belief's not very strong that I can actually achieve it. Who do I think I am anyway? Looks good on my vision board. I don't have a strong level of belief I can achieve it. This image on my vision board, it looks pretty, but I have this level of doubt. What would I have to do to achieve it? I don't think I'm capable. I'd like to think I'm capable. This level of doubt, my level of doubt. Can I actually achieve this? Take a deep breath and let it go. Again, writing down all those times you've put visions on vision board, made goals, created intentions, and you never got them. Times when you've created a vision and somebody's laughed at you or told you couldn't achieve it. You want to tap on every single aspect. That's what's going to shift this level of belief. What we're doing now is just an overarching feeling to actually get to what the memories are. So write everything down. You may need to tap on this a few times, but that's okay. We're going to do a reframe right now, okay? Here we go. Even though my level of belief when I started was it's now shifted somewhat. I choose to believe I can make this happen. Even though when I look at this image on my vision board, my level of desire to make it reality has risen. What would it mean for me to achieve this? How would this make me feel? Even though this has been on my vision board, and in the past I didn't really have a strong belief in achieving it, I choose to now keep that vision strongly in my mind. Focus on it every morning. I choose to believe I can make this happen. Here we go. I choose to believe I can make this happen. I choose to believe that I can make this happen. I choose to forgive myself in the past for not putting the required effort behind it. I choose to believe I can. I choose to make this image strong in my mind every single day. I choose to put effort behind this image. I believe I can do this. I choose to make this image first thing I see in the morning. I choose to believe I can do this. I choose to believe in myself. I choose to make this image powerful. I choose to forgive myself for all the times I didn't achieve what I wanted in the past. I choose to believe I can do this. I choose to ramp up the emotion on this image. I choose to believe I can do this. I choose to believe I can do this. Okay, take a deep breath. Hands on your hips again. Now, this time, I want you to see this vision and I want you to see yourself in it. See yourself in it. I want you to imagine you have already achieved this. I want you to feel that level of emotion. What does that feel like? And I want you to pull in a sense of gratitude because you know you've already got it. It's already happening because you've intended it. It's happening. So feel that gratitude. It's already happening because you've intended it. Now it's just a matter of allowing it to unfold, following your steps. You know how to do it. You know how to do it. How does it make you feel? See who's with you. Feel it. What does it feel like? And what are you most grateful for? I hope that helps. Let me know how you go. Bye for now.